Hi guys, I'm excited to say that during the next weeks we will roll out like many new premium features. So in case you're curious about what's going to happen, here on the project page, if you click on planning analysis, for instance, and scroll down, like we always have those sections now which shows what is going to come soon. So very soon there will be a block plan creator that allows you to generate like professional block plans for your planning applications, and also net zero report, the local plan analysis, where we use an LLM model which analyzes like the according local plan and gives you a summary on that. And then we will finally introduce our planning assistant, where you basically can chat with the Adema AI and get planning advice for your project. And finally, we will release the planning statement generator, which in essence just the Adema AI generates like a whole planning statement using all the data about your property and about your use case or your project. Also in the sales comparables, like here we will add a comparables map where you can see all the comparables on the map and click on them and get more information. And also we will introduce some active market monitoring, where we can also pin properties that are currently on sale on platforms, which will give you an even more detailed and up-to-date view on the local property market. And then also regarding use case analysis, we already can generate care reports and match care projects to the right operators, but we will also add like many more genres. And the next one I'm also very excited about, which will be released very soon, is the Adema Streak, which basically allows you to analyze a property if it's suitable for short-term land. Yeah, so I hope you're as excited as I am and are curious, and you can look those features up, and then as soon as something is released, it will be there. Thank you.